guys, good evening everyone. Ang OFW na high blood din palagi. Hindi makatulog. Iwan ko ba kung bakit. Anong dapat ko guys gagawin? Starting. Thank you guys. Good 120 over 76. 121 over 76. Good. Naligo ako guys para iwas high blood. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe kayo po at saka click ang button para makita nyo lahat yung video ko. Like and comment below. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This is my room. Nakarating na ako guys.